Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Curled up, cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pit-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the din. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Hello, hare. Hello, mouse," says the hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, hare burps big burps, but bear snores on. A badger skirtles by, sniffs snuffs at the air. "I spell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." They nibble and munch with a chew, chomp, and crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Win, and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flack makes the bear "Achoo!" He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes, and the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. "You're stuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." He whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. And that was Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman.